Hello guys, today I'm going to be teaching you two simple ways to download videos from Twitter. So without talking much, let's get started. So when you just go to Twitter, any video at all you want to download, just go to share and go to copy link. So copy link of tweet, this is the share button. When you copy it, you just go to your browser, preferably PHX browser, that's my favorite browser on phone. And when you go there, you just type the name of the website, savetweetvid.com. And when you just type it, or you simply search savetweetvid and just paste the link there, the link that was copied, and paste it there. They will give you options, 800 pixels, 450, and you simply click on download. Then it opens it up for you. So here it is, and I'll just download. And that was it. Download started. You can see it being downloaded here. The second method is just go to downloader, Play Store, and get this app, video downloader. And when you go there, you just the same way you paste it. So this one is an app. The other one is on the web. So depending on your choice of downloading. So when you just do that, and you have the video here, there's a button here. You just click on it, and it gives you the option to download, and download started. You can see that they are being downloaded. So my first one is here, it downloaded. So this was one of the videos I downloaded earlier. And this is the current one that I've just downloaded. So that was it for this video. If you have not subscribed, kindly hit on the subscribe button to subscribe, and also leave your comments below and smash on the like button for more videos. Thank you.